Magnesium is a very important mineral. It's a mineral that addresses the central nerve system especially. Magnesium also works with calcium to strengthen the bones. But when we talk about magnesium, magnesium is found on the planet expressed on two levels. One oxide, one fluorine, meaning that the oxide is the rock that has magnesium. Fluorine means the plant that has magnesium. So naturally, we will consider the plant because it has one carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. It's alive. The magnesium is alive now. It would assimilate.